Hi everybody and happy holidays. It's Chartsky, and this is a quick video showing what we got on November 30th, 2017, the daily profit target, but it was fast and furious. Once again, patience and discipline are important, and that's why we're showing this video. With that said, let me show you the trade we got on November 30th. See if we can hold it. Got to push right down. There we go. Break even. That's the first push. Break even. +1. That's the second push. We talked about it. I hope you were ready. May come whipping all the way back though. Come on, push. $30 ticks. Just give us 30 off of this. Very, very whippy. Violently whippy. But we wait. Take our shots. Hopefully we can get a target out of it. Just trying. Come on. There we go. Well, this thing is very aggressive, all this whip. But if you have your levels, if you're patient, like just, we gave it away the first time there because it didn't meet our criteria. Everybody get it? Let me know. Okay. Good deal, Steve. Okay. Great, Kyle. All right. Okay. All right. Looks like everybody got it good. We talked about it. We were ready. Market's really fast, but if you're ready, and it looks like I may have given away the trade here that we were sitting waiting to sell gold, but the structure and the price action just no longer really supported it. I think it was really, I didn't want two very aggressive trades at the same time in potentially fast markets, and so we just did the NASDAQ, got the daily profit target out of it. Let's see what else we might get. Okay, well, we didn't get anything else. We had to just take the daily profit target, and that's not bad at all. The daily profit target is never a bad thing to get. But what's important and why I upload this video? Well, as I keep harping on, you need patience and discipline. Patience and discipline is what gave us the daily profit target today. Patience and discipline and following the rules is why we stopped with the daily profit target today, and I'll explain what I mean by that. First of all, we had the initial trade in the NASDAQ that we bought, and price was whipping, and it would not go in our direction. And like I've said in other videos, when price either doesn't do what I want to at the entry or right after the entry, we're quick to scratch those trades, and that's exactly what we did on the first trade of the NASDAQ. Now, the second trade in the NASDAQ was actually the third available trade, but we passed on the second trade because, well, price didn't do what it should have done at the entry. We would have been what I call late to the party, and if we hadn't entered, we would have wound up with a losing trade. Here's what I mean. We used the same entry. It was roughly in here, okay, and price came down through it, okay, and then it reversed and went back up. If we had taken the sell when price whipped and came back here, that trade would have been a losing trade, and instead we waited for the market structure and the price action to tell us we could enter here, and we got a profitable trade out of it. But let's look at the other markets. We were considering a sell in gold, but the market structure just didn't really support it for me. And as you can see from this channel here, price was very, very, very whippy in this up channel. It didn't qualify for an add-on trade. What I want to see is when we get the daily profit target, whether the markets are moving well enough to keep trading with the reasonable expectation that we can add on. We don't just keep trading for the sake of trading. We follow our written trading plan and our rules. So what about the EuroFX? Well, pretty much from 8:30 on, the euro was going straight up. Then it went sideways, and it was just too questionable. Once again, it did not qualify according to the rules for potential add-on trade, so we didn't take it. The other market is the S&P, and I did give away a trade on retracement right in here, but it was kind of iffy, and based on the structure, again, I just didn't want to take that at the time. I thought the retracement might be a little bit farther, might be a little bit deeper, but it wasn't. So anyway, we were done on the 30th with the daily profit target, which is never a bad thing. It's funny, but the explanation took longer than the actual trade. But you need patience and discipline one way or another every day. That's what's important, and that's what I want you to take away from this video. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important, and I urge you to read it. And if you want more information, or if you're ready to join us, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. And thanks for watching.
Let's roll. Hey, let's be careful out there.